So I had a question roll in today on my personal email. It's not every day that happens, but I have reputation management videos on my main channel. I have around 10 or 11,000 subscribers on that one. This is just smaller to really help people who are in need. But it's from Kevy, and Kevy says, Nader, I feel like my online reputation is too far gone. I did something stupid back in 2011, and ever since my reputation has been bad. On Google, the top links show bad Reddit links and unfortunate, I think that says posts. There's no way to remove it, and even if I bury it, there's no way we can purge all of these links and I could ever make a full comeback. What do I do? Please help me out. Okay, Kevy, so there are times where you have too much negative content on Google and you just can't remove it all. It sucks, but you have to understand that people are like onions, okay? So let me get to that. If you have negative content on the first page of the internet and that's all there is, people just know you as that. You are bad. You are the stunt driver. You are the person who assaulted, somebody else. You're violent. You're bad. But if we look at people like the U.S. president, who's had, tons of allegations for, things like corruption or for sexual assault, so many other things that would have completely taken hold of his reputation and branded him as that. But since he had done other things, since he was, he had his own show, since he's the president, since he is rich, since he's, worked in companies, since he has a big reputation, it's hard for those other things that are massively huge to have any effect on him. So you may have this, terrible online presence right now, but if we create a positive online presence, if you were to make one that was really, really big, no matter what you did, and I'm not kidding, no matter what you did, or almost no matter what you did, people might always remember it, right? No one's gonna just forget it. But no matter what you did, you may be able to use it to your leverage. Generally, people who have their online reputations damaged by news media are actually more ambitious people than the average. What I mean by that is, chances are you probably committed a crime, and if you committed a crime, sure, it could have been a fluke, but you're probably a little bit different than most people. You're probably wired different, and I hope you're a good person. I hope that, you just didn't fit the mold of society and then something happened or you made a mistake. But in that case, you probably have what it takes inside to cultivate a new powerful reputation, to become a public figure. And maybe not a public figure in the sense of a politician or somebody huge, but large enough where you can have an audience like mine, or larger than mine actually. I'm looking like 2 or 3 times larger than mine. I think you could do it. But you have to work towards that. That's a huge pain. But maybe this gives you fuel and purpose in life to do better. So what I'm saying is, you're not going to be able to get everything off of Google, I understand. You won't be able to come back to your normal life. But it doesn't mean you can't bounce back. In fact, you can bounce higher. It's just going to take a lot more work. I'm talking about 10 times more work. But if you're willing to put in that work, if you're willing to actually try to overcome all that media, and you work at it every single day by using the other tips I have on this channel, by creating your social media handles, by attracting an audience, by putting informative videos on the internet, titling everything with your name, doing big things in your community just so they can get reported on by the media, you're going to overcome it. So that's kind of how you have to see it. It's about changing your mindset. And online reputation management is something I love because I believe you can change people's lives. You can give them leverage. They'll go from a bad reputation to now they're the head of a charity, and now they're getting donations from all around the world, and everyone wants to hire them because they're a selfless giving person. I mean, we can brand you however you want. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me down below. I've made a US number. I know even if my videos get a couple thousand views at most, we get like 7 or 8 emails from that. So I've created a number. I can send you voice recordings, help you out. I'm here to help you. The online reputation management industry is growing, and we're catching up with the media. So let's do this together. Thank you for watching.